Alright, today I'm painting this strut bar, removing my rear seats, and I think that's it. First I've got to clear a bit of room now. Okay, I do feel a bit bad because it's actually a pretty decent bar. It's not a cheap one. It's got a warranty and everything, but because I want to paint it, I've got to take all this off. Not too fussed because I bought it second hand anyway. I feel a bit bad. After painting that a little bit, I think the sandpaper might have been a bit too rough. I'm going to do one more coat when it's dry, and then hopefully it's not as scratched up. Okay, so I've done another coat, and it actually looks good again. So let me zoom in. You can see a few little scuff marks, but I'm going to do one more coat and they'll be all gone hopefully. Pretty much gone already. Once I've done the bottom, I flip it over and concentrate more on the top because that's what you'll see. And Zach's turned up too. I'm waiting for Connor, who's late. That's drying. I'm going to start moving my rear seats. Okay, so I really just couldn't see much actually from outside, so I brought you inside so you, just in case you want to know how to take seats out, you can. So there's clips like this, you can pull them out like that. You can, what I did, I just pulled it up and then pulled it out afterwards. However, if you've got the right tool, you get the sort of two-prong screwdriver, get it under and ping it off like that. Anyway, you get this off and then you come to this bolt, same on the other side. You get them off and then the top section should come out, and then you're left with obviously just the actual seat part. One bit out, because you've got to push these down apparently. But I don't know what I've got to do now anyway. Apparently you can just pull up. I don't know where.
Right, both let's do this side, ready?
Both do that side. Fucking new.
I think you broke the clip, but
Right.
oh! Right, so now we know that you can just pull that and it will come out.
It does seem a shame to get rid of that interior.
Because no one's ever sat in it. Do you pull it or push it?
Pull it.
It's really hard to get to. Well, I'm holding it, but it's really hard to actually. Oh, I've done it. I've done it. Whew.
Why is your car so damp, Jim?
So it's that easy apparently. There's no guide on this.
Don't just pull it. There's a little...
Okay, so the guide I've seen said you just fucking yank it. But really, and they're quite hard to get hold of, but you just pull these. One each side. I think this one's broken now.
It should still lock over the top of it though, so it should be alright.
Then here's one that's not broken. But yeah, just grab them, pull them out, job done. Look at what I've got in here. I've got like twigs in here. I don't know what that is. Rocks. Some bloody rock in here. Anyway, I'm going to take off these hinges. These are for the top half of the back seats. And take off these belts. And then just give it a good clear. What I've done, I've put these two bolts back in. Just so they're always there. Doesn't hurt. And there's actually a bit of like dampness in there. So we're going to put a bolt in these as well. I can't put the same bolt in because of this washer thing. Oh yeah, I can. Okay, I've put these in loose for now because I want to clean around them. So that's the next job. Alright, so I've swept it all up. I'm going to grab a hoover. It's sort of moist here. It's dry over there, so I don't know what that is. And then I might wax it a little bit or just buff it up a little bit anyway. So it looks a bit nicer in here. Alright, I think it's dry enough now. I've lacquered it as well. So I'm going to take off these 2 bolts here on both sides. Might have to cut a slot here in this carpet stuff, so because I still want this in there. And then we'll just see how it goes. Yeah, mate.
Oh, it's stuck to your speaker.
Oh shit.
Oh no. Have you done the paintwork?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Right, I'm gonna. You're in. Now put the bolts on. And it's actually everywhere we've hit it is pretty much everywhere except that.
Sideways.
Right, okay. Right. I don't know how zoomed in I am. I'm going to zoom out a bit first because he says. So we got it in. I'm going to do this next bit because I think I know exactly how James would say it. Right, so we've got the strut brace in, right? It was a little bit trickier than what we thought, and we probably should have waited for the paint to dry because I'll show you. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Behind James's arm there's like some weird resistor box. This thing here, which sort of snagged on it, and then also you've got the speakers, and where the strut brace is metal, it stuck to it on the way through, which I don't know if you can see or not, but it's done the painting a little bit up here, which doesn't matter too much because it's not as visible as we thought it was going to be, but it's in, so hopefully we can do some mad handling stuff now. But this is James doing work. You don't see this much on the channel because it's usually me, but that is James, because if you look, his arm's really skinny and I've got muscle, so that's that. Yeah?
How's that feel? Obviously I wouldn't need, realistically I do need to go more.
We need to slot a little bit more this way.
I think I need to go more out.
Oh yeah.
But it's not too bad, it's sort of in, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's pretty much in, man.
Yeah?
I'm happy with that.
That's better this side now. Oh, didn't see that.
Yeah.
But you came level, yeah, that's it, yeah. And then up.
From back here.
Yeah, probably. Well, from wherever the end of your cut is, I suppose.
It's quite hard to get to.
Do you want to put it out a bit so you've got it?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm just going to try it here for now.
Right. James says he's a welder, actually he's a seamstress, so he's pretty proficient with scissors.
Yeah, because these cuts are fucking, you can tell they're top notch.
Yeah. Yeah, will do. What are you up to, anything?
Nah, it's just that old man's doing bulky.
Oh, decent, yeah. Well, get there before the weather turns a bit. Oh mate, have fun.
See you later, mate. What's that about the smell, man?
It's someone's clutch. Put it in across the road like a granny.
Right, I need to sort this bit out here.
That'll be Aaron. Oh no, we've taken a big old... Oh no, it's not a bit of paint, it's that. See, I think that looks better. I think you should trim that one back more. Because that's like rubbing up against it, whereas that's clear. It's up to you.
I think just leave it.
Alright.
Okay, so it's in. Not the perfect paint job, but you can't really see it, to be honest. And I actually showed you the slot, but we cut slots here and here. And I'll show you it from the other side. There it is. Eventually, I'd really like to carpet this out, because I don't want it to be track car, race car. So yeah, that's my aims. eventually carpet it out, and that'll be it. Next video will be